When I say tooth friendly, it's because your body doesn't metabolize it like regular sugar, and so it doesn't contribute to the decay process. Hello and welcome back to SMILEBOX. I'm your host, Dr. Brigitte White, and I'm here to help you reach your smile goal one product at a time. So today we're going to talk about mouthwash tabs. Okay, so tablet, not the tablet that you're using to watch your favorite movie, but tablets that we're going to place in our mouth. This one is to freshen your breath. But before we get into that, I want to make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, okay? Dr. Brigitte White, I'm all across media, so make sure that you subscribe and click that button below so you don't miss an upload. Also, if you haven't already, please enter my SMILEBOX giveaway. I'm giving away my favorite items, my favorite toothpaste, mouth rinse, toothbrush, and flossers. So make sure that you sign up on my blog, drbridgettewhite.com, and I will see if you are the lucky winner. All right, so let's get back to the topic. We're talking about breath fresheners in the form of a mouthwash tab. Lush Cosmetics makes these mouthwash tabs, and they're all natural. Lush Cosmetics is a British company, and they have a very interesting story. I encourage you to go to their website and really read about them. They have 250 stores across North America, and there are several here in the Northern Virginia, DC area. So I picked these up, and these are in the flavor of Creme du Monde. Pardon my French. And they are really powerful. Like I said, they're all natural, so they contain sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. They're sweetened with the stevia plant, and they also have xylitol, which is a tooth-friendly sugar substitute. And when I say tooth-friendly, it's because your body doesn't metabolize it like regular sugar, and so it doesn't contribute to the decay process. Now, back to the ingredients. Something that's special about this is the powerful mint. That ingredient actually freshens your breath, but also has so many properties. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, it even relieves stress. So in terms of oral care, menthol and peppermint are proven antimicrobials. They actually neutralize bacteria that is known to cause bad breath and known to live without oxygen. And those types of bacteria are the ones that we are really worried about as dental professionals. So again, these are the mouthwash tabs from the Lush company. I'm going to put a link below, and make sure you check them out. They're a cosmetics company that's known for all natural products, so homemade and natural goods for personal care, for beauty, for skin, and now for oral health. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and this item is going to be a bonus item in this month's SMILEBOX. So make sure you sign up for my SMILEBOX giveaway at drbridgettewhite.com. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.